Hey, what's up? My name's Matt. I come down to Baja a lot. I'm a surfer. When you get on the roads down here in Baja, you gotta air down, and airing down of your tires usually takes so long. I just got this new tire deflator from Method Wheels, and you can air down in like half the time, and it's pretty sick. So let's check it out. This Method tire deflator is great because when you get on these roads down here in Baja, you gotta air down because the roads are bumpy, the sand is deep, and you just want to get to the point so you can go surf already. You're dusty from the trail. This makes it really fast. This is super cool. First thing you do, you take this guy right here and you attach it on with nice threading onto the tire. Now this thing grabs like the little needle in there, I guess. So you gotta twist it nice and gently till it grabs the needle, and you can feel it grab the needle right there. Then it should pop out. Now let's see how we're looking here. You can see what your tire pressure is, and then boom. Check it out. Set it off. And you can get it down really fast. I'm already pretty low, so I think that's perfect for what I'm gonna be driving today. Then you gotta reattach that little pin. Make sure that pin gets all the way back into your tire. You can kind of feel it click when it goes in, and then you can test it. Boom. No air coming out now. Now we can unscrew it. Boom, there you go. Tires deflated. Let's get on the sand. Let's go surf.